This beautifully upgraded 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home boasts over 2,600 square feet of living space. Notably, this home features a partial finished basement and sunny 4-season room for you to enjoy. Beautiful luxury plank flooring can be found throughout, as well as updates such as a newer furnace, central air, hot water heater, and roof. Entering through the top-quality new garage doors, you're led into the spacious 3-car garage that's big enough to park your vehicles and still have room for storage. The upscale patio area is complemented by the gorgeous landscaping. Inside, the kitchen boasts quartz countertops and new appliances with plenty of space for you to unleash your inner chef. The bathrooms have been remodeled and feature stone countertops and upgraded fixtures that elevate the space. New lighting throughout is just another thought-out detail that went into maintaining this well-loved home. The fenced backyard sits on just under a half acre, ready to enjoy all outdoor activities as we transition to warmer weather. As if the features of the home weren't enough, it's also conveniently located near shopping and just minutes from Southwest Fort Wayne, so you'll never be far from something fun to do. Can you picture yourself in this home? If you're interested in learning more, call Teresa Kaler for all the details.